Hi, I'm Charisse. We are going to be making something my kids have been eating for years and my family just loves it. I personally love it as a mom because you can use a lot of different vegetables that you already have in your refrigerator. Today we're going to be using a sweet potato and a zucchini, and if your kids are particularly picky, you can use a good old-fashioned potato. The first thing you want to do is peel your potato. The next thing you want to do is grate the sweet potato, or you could use a food processor if you want. So you literally just sit there and grate. If you're stressed out, this is the way to go. And it works out my muscles. Kidding, guys. So now that you have the sweet potato grated, you're going to peel your zucchini. Just kidding. So we are grating it again. See all these vegetables, guys. Zucchini is super high in fiber. The one thing you should do with zucchini is to remove all the moisture. You can use a paper towel or a cheesecloth. So there's your zucchini. What you want to do next is add 2/3 cups of flour, like so. Basically, you can add whatever spices you want. So today I'm going to be using just salt and pepper and a little bit of onion powder. And last but not least, we're gonna crack an egg in there. Just go ahead and whisk your egg, add it to your mixture. Now the fun part is just mixing this all up. Now that it's kind of a mixture or a little bit more of a patty-like consistency, we are going to get the pan going. First, put some oil onto your pan. Now this is my ultimate trick, cookie scoopers, and it makes pretty uniform shapes too. And go ahead and put it in, and I also use the back of it just to form your patty, like so. So here's the finished recipe, you guys. It's so versatile and it's packed with nutrients. Serve it for an appetizer, dinner, or lunch, whatever suits you. If you like the recipe, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribing already, please subscribe. Smell you later.